Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Holden Acadia LTZ-V, stock reference number 5221. This shape runs from the 8th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has a 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all drive transmission. 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Power lift tight. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear not 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors and guard appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heating controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass and sunroof holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.